Want to supercharge your AI interactions and make smarter decisions? This tutorial will show you how to seamlessly integrate JSON data to Google Sheets and leverage it within Retell Ai. We're talking dynamic content, personalized responses, and automated workflows, all powered by your data. First, let's get the JSON data. You'll need a source. This can be anything from a public API to a data fee. I'll show you how to identify and copy to a location, then gather it for use in our sheet. This could vary based on your data, but the key is to locate the data. Next, we'll get Google Sheets ready. Create a new Google Sheet. This is where all of your JSON data will go. To import your JSON data, we'll need to install an extension. Go to Extensions and select Add-ins. Find an Import JSON add-in and install the tool to get your data into your sheet. Now it's time to import it. Choose your new extension within the Extensions tab. Then click on Import JSON. You will then paste the location or the JSON data directly into the extension. Select Import Data to import. And there you have it. Your JSON data is now beautifully organized within Google Sheets. Ensure that your data is properly displayed, as these are the values sent to Retell Ai. Now, integrate that sheet into Retell Ai. To be able to connect it to your LLM, you can then start using the data in prompt engineering and build various workflows and customize the output. This allows you to personalize responses and create data-driven AI interactions. Imagine personalized recommendations, dynamic content that changes based on real-time updates, and automated responses tailored to each user. This is the power we just unlocked. Data integration combined with AI automation leads to improved decision-making. You've successfully integrated your JSON data. With this workflow, you're well on your way to harnessing the full potential of data-driven AI. Now, get out there, explore, and create. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have fun.